Hello everyone, welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time watching. I'm going to begin with another tutorial. Alright, so I'll start off by using my Crayon case, the matte book palette, and we're going to start by applying some purple eyeshadow to the top of the eyelid, the entire top, because this will be a simple look. And now I'm using the Juvias the Saharan palette, and I'm going to be applying the color Chad, and it's a black. So you're going to put that at the bottom of the eyelid and blend it with the purple. Next, I'm taking my concealer and making a thick line across the bottom of my eyelids, like along my lash line, so that I can do a double liner. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply my primer and neon orange. First you lay the primer down across the line that you just made with your concealer, and then you take an angled brush and apply the neon orange. Apply a thin line of eyeliner and mascara. Now it's time for lashes, and these are also from my line. Now this step is completely optional. I'm applying color corrector and concealer just for the dark circles under my eyes. Now it's time for foundation and highlight, contour if you please. And this is the final glam. It's not too flashy, it's very simple, but this was just the base for my Halloween look. And this is the Halloween look, so I will be posting the link below, so enjoy. And thank you for watching. Bye.